Welcome back. So in today's video we are going to be making polenta. So we're going to make fish with a side of polenta. On top of the polenta we are going to have mushrooms, tomatoes and onions along with some cheese. So without further ado, let's get to it. So to start, what we're going to do is we're going to take our fish and put it in a pan so that we can bake it. Here we have some tilapia. So we're just going to add some blackened fish spice on top of the tilapia.
The spice melange.
And then kind of rub it in a little bit. So we're just going to bake this fish at 400 degrees for 10-12 minutes or until it's tender and you can just pull it away with a fork. Then we're going to bring 4 cups to a boil. Then we're going to add about a teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to add about a cup of polenta. You can use cornmeal, which is what we're using here. We don't have access to actual polenta, which is just a more coarse ground up corn. So in this case, we're just going to use cornmeal. What you want to do is you want to just whisk this until all the cornmeal pieces have been broken up and it's smooth. Then what we're going to do is we're going to turn the heat down and let this cook at a low temperature for about 30 minutes, stirring every 5 to 6 minutes. So while the polenta is cooking, what we're going to do is we're going to first chop up half an onion. So we're just going to dice this up into little cubes. While chopping up the onions, try not to cry, because you know I am right now.
Are you crying? Am I crying? No, I'm not crying. You're crying.
Then we're going to put the onions into a bowl and then set to the side. Then we're going to chop up 2 tomatoes. Then we're just going to chop up some portobello mushrooms. You don't have to use portobello mushrooms. You can use whatever mushrooms you have access to. If you even like mushrooms, that is. We're just going to slice these mushrooms lengthwise and then slice those in half. Then in a skillet, we're going to add some olive oil. And then we're going to throw in our onions. And we're just going to cook these onions until they're translucent. Now that our onions have cooked up a little bit, what we're going to do is we're going to add our tomatoes. And then we're going to add our mushrooms. And then we're just going to saute everything up together. And there we have it. We've got our onions, tomatoes, and mushrooms all sauteed up. Now you can see that our polenta is done. The way you can tell that polenta is done is that it's nice and smooth. And if you were to actually taste it, there's no crunchiness or graininess in the texture itself. And then we're just going to assemble the plate. So to start off, we're going to add our fish, and then we're going to add our polenta with our sauteed vegetables on top. Then we're just going to garnish this off with some cilantro. All right, so there you have it. There's our polenta and fish. So without further ado, let's try it. Who wants the first bite? Ella, do you want the first bite?
Okay.
You ready, princess?
I'm ready.
Oops.
Oh no. On the princess dress.
Not on the princess dress.
You like it?
Okay.
You like it. Nice.
They're all dressed up because they're playing princess tonight. Why wouldn't you?
Doesn't look princess.
What?
Yes,
Look at
please.
your teeth. Hey, Mom, look at your teeth. It's
She got
red.
lipstick on her teeth.
Oh, how embarrassing. That tastes delicious. That turned out really good.
Like it?
I did. It's light enough, but it's also filling enough. Like it's not too
I can
heavy.
hold your necklace, Mom. I can hold your necklace.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah.
Let's do the fish.
Yeah. Would you like a bite of the fish, Al? Would you like a bite?
Yes, please.
Your classic blackened fish.
Very good. They pair well together.
They're both absolutely delicious. So if you like this video, please hit that like button down below. If you want to see more videos or more around the world, please let us know what country you'd like us to visit next.
Any Italians out there, feel free to leave us any tips in the comment section below, or just how you like to make it would be great too. Thanks for watching.
Yep. Thank you. See you
Bye,
later.
guys.